Will that just go all the way down?
It'll go all the way down by that last trail down there. It'll cut like it's going to cut one of these little squares out. It'll keep doing that everywhere there's one of them.
So it's just running a dry run program?
Yeah, it's just a test run.
Yeah, that's fine.
And so you know that it's going to run correctly and everything. Then you have total control. That's about the speed you burn, and then this would be to make your test to see what it's doing. Anywhere you can stop it, go from, if you stop it, you can go from your test run, single step, manual cut, auto cut. I don't have the air on if I